Facebook advertisements account structure. Lifetime budget plans versus daily spending plans. Choose daily spending plans when your campaigns will certainly be evergreen. You want to make the most of solid efficiency. You anticipate to transform your budget plan consistently. Pick lifetime budgets when you need to run your ads on a routine. Your campaign has a set budget plan and also end day. Not choosing the best budget plan, alternatively, can be an expensive Facebook mistake error. Maintain these differences in mind so you can determine the right alternatives for your campaigns. Awesome Facebook ad types you most likely aren't using. While Creation Hub is riddled with outstanding examples of large bands with innovative groups as well as puffy bankrolls introducing cool things on Facebook, it can be hard to imagine, claim an account professional or plumber or three-person startup. Developing canvas advertisements. That does not imply you need to remain wed to the same old fixed picture imaginative. But hey, if it's working, don't abandon it. Expand. As a matter of fact, there are a handful of alternatives ad kinds that can jumpstart your Facebook ad method that don't require you to head out and also find yourself a John Hamm knockoff with a MacBook Pro. With that, here are 3 Facebook advertisement types you probably aren't utilizing yet. However, most definitely require you to present across your account ASAP. Utilizing Facebook advertisement types. Offer advertisement. You have actually structured your account perfectly. Your audiences have accomplished peak performance. You're still stagnating systems. Often you require to start a fire under a person's butt to make them act. And also, for lots of bargain-starved web browsers, a great old-fashioned marketing discount is the ideal prod to promote a purchase. So why not sweeten the managed Facebook deal advertisement? Deal ads are among the best ways to obtain individual interest on Facebook as well as promote them to act. They supply you with a handful of alternatives in terms of the kind and also exclusive of the promo you're pitching, and also can function as an excellent enhance to your existing promotion-centric advertising efforts. If you offer your wares online, leads will certainly obtain notifications throughout all their apps, as well as tools to advise them of your promotion. But it's a physical store that stands to benefit most from deal ads. If you run a traditional outfit, shoppers that go through your front door can use their mobile phones as well as utilize the deal served to them on Facebook in reality. They likewise get an email regarding the offer, and the best part, when they're near your shop, Facebook will advise them that your offer will certainly end soon. Name an additional advertisement type with this lot of touch factors. Note that your promotion will constantly show up in leads, deals, a bookmark. Interestingly sufficient, though hardly any individual appears to be making use of these things. Exploit their ignorance, my friends. Part of the factor offer ads might not be as extensive as they should be, in that the choice to produce them just appears in your ad supervisor. Offer advertisements are made from modular components that can be stripped or added as you choose. If you like my videos, please hit the like button below. Press the bell up the top for more information into your email box. Thank you for watching. This is Ian Jackson saying tatty bye.